Today we are going to talk about Facebook pixels. You know that Facebook pixels can be sometimes very tricky because if you don't know how to use Facebook pixel properly, it can be a problem in your account, or you might have multiple pixels in your one business manager or ad manager account. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove the inactive Facebook pixels in your business manager. And also I will tell you how to install or create the Facebook pixel and event tracking also. Not only the Facebook pixel, but also the event tracking. Before I jump into my screen, I can tell you there are two types of pixel tracking you can do. One is basically the base pixel, which you will install on your website. This is a JavaScript code which you will install in your website. And the second one is a event code. So event tracking codes. So which event tracking code will give you the specific event tracking? For example, on your website, if you want to track the lead page or a thank you page or specific action you want to track, then this second event tracking code will help you. So let's go into my screen and see one by one how can we set up and how can we remove the inactive Facebook pixel. From the ad manager account, you need to go to the event manager. Inside event manager, so for example, here is my event manager and you can see there are two pixels here. So these two pixels are, one is for my app and other one is for my website. So these two pixels are active now and you can see the events are active. And if you want to see the full view of all events, you can just click on standard and on top there is a all events. So in all events you can see exactly what are the events I'm tracking inside my app. These are all the events, and you can select the date range. For example, if you want to see the last yesterday, how many people did specific action on in my app. So these are all events are tracked here. Another one is basically the website event. So that is website pixel. So for website tracking, so here you can see the website page view. So this is the page view, which is the main base pixel which is giving me the data. But if I want to see the all event, I cannot see because I don't have created that. So for that you need to create the further events through your pixel. So from here you can create add new event, and then you can create from a new website or from the pixel, or you can use the conversion APIs. There are multiple options, or this is from a new website. So if I want to add a new website, I want to use the code manually, or if I want to use the partner, so I have these options here. So this is how you will do it. I will do this in a next video, but right now I'm just going to give you the pixel overview. On the other side, if you want to see how many pixels I have on my website, which I told about on my Facebook account, which I told you already. So you can go to the data source. In data source you have pixels will come here. So just click on the business setting and then data sources. Under data sources you can see here is pixels. So you can see here 4 pixels here. In my account there are 2, but here is 4. So these are the other 2 pixels which I am not using. So these pixels are basically, I have inactivated these pixels. So how you can check that whether you should inactivate those pixels or you should continue that? So it's simple. Just click on this pixel. This is the pixel ID, keep it in mind, and go to the connected assets. If the account is connected, it means this is the right pixel which is connected with your account. So this account I'm using for my campaign. So this is there. And the other pixels, for example, the pixel number 269 connected assets, so there is no asset attached. So this pixel is not in use. I have removed the assets and this is not in use. And then the pixel number 6832, connected assets, nothing is connected. And this, the last one, the Bankium 693, connected assets, nothing. So these all three pixels are not in use. Only this production pixel is connected to my all assets, but all the people are connected, account is connected, so this one is working and the rest of them are not working. But this, you cannot remove them or they will be still with your system, but it's not active. So this is the overview of Facebook Pixel. So I hope this video will help you to understand how many pixels you need to have and how can we check whether this pixel is active or not active. And in the next video I will tell you how to set up the pixel from start, step by step, through GTM or directly through your website, and then we can understand how those pixels work, and then we will also use the event pixel also. So until now, thank you and see you in the next one.